Radhe Govinda, Govinda Radhe, Radhe Radhe Govinda, Govinda Radhe.
So we are reading Vilapa Kusumanjali, verse 70 today. Oh, Subhage, beautiful or auspicious girl, can I joyfully decorate you with fine garments, floral earrings, necklaces, and so? After hearing from the Parrot Vichakshana that the Prince of Raj has gone out for his excellent noontime meeting with you. I read it once more. Oh, Subhage, beautiful or auspicious girl, can I joyfully decorate you with fine garments, floral earrings, necklaces, and so? After hearing from the Parrot Vikachana that the Prince of Raj has gone out for his excellent noontime meeting with you. So that means Srimati will be in very much anxiety because she already knows that Krishna is already on the way.
There's another interesting comment right before we go to the commentary, because we've been, Gurudev's given us this word, abhikar, and we talk about it every day now, that it's in the verse, you see, Shastabhisara, but it's translated here as meeting. So it has a nuance to it. We go on the voyage, but we go on the voyage to find the meeting. It's a voyage with a goal, and the goal is that meeting with the divine, with Mohan. It's not any voyage. It's not any voyage of love. It's not any place our heart will tug us. It's one kind of love voyage, which is the love voyage of Prem to the divine, to that meeting.
Rendezvous.
Rendezvous. She does.
Note, this time the vision of Swamini appears. Oh, Subhage, when can I arrange for you Abhisar, love journey? After hearing from the mouth of the Parrot named Vikakshana that Shyama Sundar has already left for his Abhisar.
If we change really in rendezvous, it's much better, isn't it?
Why do you say?
Than love journey. Rendezvous is beautiful.
Yeah, but it's it's beautiful, but it's much more romantic. But it's more focused on the goal than the journey.
But what we understand on this rendezvous is perfectly what here is described.
Maybe you have a different perception of rendezvous than we have.
No, it is actually in the...
It's a romantic French word.
No, it's in the word by word translation. There is Abhisar translated in rendezvous.
Yeah.
It's not my conception.
Yeah, no, that's why I mentioned it at the beginning. It wasn't my deep insight or something. I noticed that it was the meeting. But I mean, in French, rendezvous, of course, means meeting. But literally speaking, rendez, that means deliver yourself. Rendezvous, deliver yourself to. So there's a little bit of the voyage feeling to it as well. I think rendezvous, literally, it's something like sich ergeben. in German. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Oui, je dois me rendre, I have to come there, I have to be there.
Have to go there.
Yeah.
Je dois me rendre.
Yeah, we have the bilingual there. Good. Very
It's
good.
rendre and means
I have to go.
Rendre ist
I have to give myself, I have to go there, yeah.
I have to give myself.
The urge to go
All
there.
I mean, give, yeah. Give.
ergeben. Von ergeben, ja.
Schön. Mhm.
Perfect.
It was very nice, the meditation, isn't it? I give myself to this place where I can meet Krishna.
And
Beautiful.
then Jiva Abhisar is same. And when Radhika is on Abhisar, it fits very nice on that meaning. And also Krishna Abhisar. It's very nice. Yeah.
Tulasi calls Swamini Ju. Swamini Ju. How do you speak?
Ju means like like a G.
Yeah,
You
but
know,
female.
Not always female. Kind of respected.
You can make more.
That's what Gurudev always teaching us, that we have to add that when we call someone, we have to add this. No? When for example, when I write to Prashant Bhaiya, I can write Prashant Bhaiya, or I can also write Prashant Ji. That is what Jayananda said. It's something
This I know,
respectful.
but you, why it has a U here? That's why I'm asking. In my book, it has not Swamini Ji. This I know, but it has a U after the I. Swamini Ji U. That's why I was
No.
struggling.
No, this is same.
Struggling.
Sometimes we say for the Ishtadeva Jew,
I see.
like Gopala Jew,
Okay.
Swamini Jew. Like G also say there, but Jew, I don't know difference, but sometimes Jew is using in Ishtadev
And
for
what means the G?
like almost same, but maybe more intimate.
What is in English the word? If I say G?
Doesn't exist.
It's like
It's polite and it's polite.
we say in Japanese we say san.
Yeah, we don't have this.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't know in English.
English not at all. In German you have a polite and a direct form, like in Hindi as well. Like du or apka. In Hindi we have also du or si, but in English there is only you. There is very
Yeah,
easy.
right. In French they also make difference.
But I think G and Ju are they're exactly the same. I don't think it's different.
It's just for the tongue is so difficult. Tulasi calls Swamini Ju. Swamini Ji-U. Swamini Ji. Subhage here because she experiences her fortune. That's why auspicious girl. He who is coveted by innumerable Vraja Sundaris is himself yearning for Sri Radhika. The Dasi is proud of Radharani's pride. There's no limit to Shyama's craving for Radharani.
This is Manjari want to see. Mohan very eager to meet Radhika, or Mohan very much eager to meet Radhika. This is we want. Like of course Mohan Radhika is same, but Manjari want to see Radhika is like a kind of superiority. Especially Krishna respect or hankering or eager.
You close the
No, please close either one because of the... No, not this one, just this one.
some ear.
Jetzt gehen wir eigentlich wie die Moskitos.
Kannst du irgendwo ein bisschen Luft.
Ist okay. He can only pronounce, oh no, I'm sorry. Day and night, he murmurs. Vrishabhanu Nandini, without saying anything else. Although hundreds of thousands of girls speak sweet words to him, he does not listen to them even in dreams. He can only pronounce the first syllable of your name, Ra, but out of ecstasy, he cannot pronounce the other one, Dha. His eyes carry streams of tears. That jewel of man rolls on the ground. Who can describe his distress? Shyam is eager to the maximum to meet Radharani. So he sends the parrot Vikakshana out with a message for her. Although Rajendra Nandana is very form of full bliss, although Rajendra Nandana is the very form of full bliss, and he is the supreme shelter of all sounds, touch, forms, flavors, and scents, and the ocean of all rasa, even he is maddened by Radha's sweetness. Rasa Vaisa.
So this is, yesterday Uddhavaji gave class. Krishna is rasa. So here mentioned all sound, touch, form, flavor, and scent. This also kind of rasa produce. And yesterday was very nice explanation. Like rasa is juice. Like I just remember, sugarcane stick. They including rasa, but someone has to squeeze, and then juice is coming out, and then but for Krishna.
Radhe, power just went off here. Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes,
I'm on
actually,
battery.
I can hear you, but I think Vrindavan is off, huh?
Well, this is
Ah,
Vrindavan
so
too, I guess.
no, you are there.
Yeah, but Maharani is using Wi-Fi and it needs the electricity.
Yeah. So still there is some problems and the generator is not working all the time, huh?
No, but it's been very difficult situation with the rain.
Yes, but that was the reason we installed this machine, that it's independent from the situation. But there is inside maybe some shortcuts, or what is in English,
Yeah, short circuit.
in the mandir.
There have been some strange things with flashing and static, staccato, and
Wow.
yeah.
Yes, I heard from the manager from the generator. He was on WhatsApp. He said 36 hours non-stop rain in Accra.
And really lots of rain, not just a little shower, just
My God. Wow.
for 36 hours. Seriously, I
Electricity.
don't know where the heavens get so much water. Yeah.
My God.
But what does that mean? Is that the reason why the electricity also goes off for us so many times and for many hours?
The last reason I heard from Prashant Bhaiya, that was a shortcut in Kesha.
I'm connected with hotspot, so let's see how long it will last. Can you maybe repeat your point you just made when we lost them, please?
Okay. Yesterday, Uddhavaji give so much nice point. Rasa means juice, like essence. And, if we squeeze, a juice is coming, essence is coming. So just I remember, there is India, especially sugarcane stick. if you want to drink sugarcane juice, then machine squeeze sugarcane sticks, and then so many juices coming. So this need power, but for someone want to squeeze Krishna's rasa, not power. We need feeling. We need love. So who can have supreme feeling, supreme bhava? This is Radhika. So therefore, Radhika could extract or squeeze most rasa, highest rasa. This is, Mahabhava. So this this is very interesting. He is the supreme shelter of all sound, touch, forms, flavors, and scents, and all ocean, and the ocean of all rasa. And even he is maddened by Radhika's sweetness. So Radhika's sweetness, in my feeling, this is Radhika's feeling, Radhika's highest feeling, Mahabhava, or maybe Madanakya Mahabhava. So this feeling extract Krishna's highest rasa. So this I felt yesterday. Uddhava ji gave very nice lecture.
The Upanishads state that he is rasa, and the living being cannot be happy without him. Were he not ecstasy personified, they would not desire to live. Were he not ecstasy personified, they would not desire to live. He is the limit of ecstasy, and he makes all living beings in the world happy with even a drop of his transcendental bliss. Yet even he is mad after meeting Srimati Radharani. In the Purvarag, falling in love stage, it is seen that one Sakhi describes to Srimati how Shyam is suffering the pangs of separation from her. O fortunate girl, O Ramanimani, jewel of women, your birth is blessed. Let everyone declare. It will satiate Kanu. He's mad after you. Normally, the Chataka bird craves the rainwater from the cloud, but the Krishna cloud thirsts for the Radha Chataka. Normally, the Chakora bird survives on the moonlight, but now the Krishna moon thrives on the Radha Chakora. Normally, the vine needs a tree for support, but this Krishna Tamal tree needs the support of the Radha vine. His mind is absorbed in you. He's panged remembering you, combing your hair with a garment covering half of your breasts, and tells me, "Oh, fortunate girl, what can I do?" Kanu remembers everything, and it makes him very upset how you once smiled at him and showed him your teeth, and declares, "When will she take me in her arms?" Then he looked again and saw you holding the hand of your Sakhi. Your unseen glance entered his heart. So please go and tell this to your Sundari. Ask her to do the needful. Vidyapati says, "You're the doll of his heart, but his body is empty." Shyam does not love anyone as much as her. The different gopis only serve to create the variety of his loving pastimes with Srimati. but he's totally subdued by Sri Radha alone. This is a very relishable situation for her maidservants. Sri Radhika is fortunate because he for whom all the gopis are eager is eager to meet her. Therefore she is named Subhage, or fortunate girl, here. And to
This is, he said, this is Subhage.
Subhage.
So this translation is a fortunate girl. But I feel this is not only fortunate, actually very fortunate. Su means like extremely, like a bhagya is fortune. So if put Su means most fortunate. So therefore, I feel this translation okay, but I feel this Subhage means most fortunate girl. Because, bhagya means fortune. So this Su means extremely fortunate girl. Because of she could attract Mohan. So this I just,
And yes, if we read it like this, that thousands, hundreds of thousands gopis are like to meet him, but he is eager only to meet her, then that makes sense that she is especially fortunate. And this is a very relishable situation for her maidservants. Sri Radhika is most fortunate, extreme fortunate, because he, for whom all the gopis are eager, all, is eager to meet her. That's special. So that makes sense what you explained, Jayananda. That is most fortunate, even more than only fortunate. No one else than she is fortunate like this.
More than the gopis.
and
More than all others, all other gopis. And the maidservant relish this. And how much pleasure they have when they relish this. And when they are decorating, this is in the verse, with earrings, necklaces, all this, that this is the most relishable situation and gives the most bliss, maximum bliss to the manjaris, right?
And also, this is maybe good point. The different gopis only serve to create a variety of his loving pastimes with Srimati. Actually, all gopis, they are expansion of Radhika. And they have some...
Oh
dear.
Gurudev just wrote me an answer from Radhashtami. So just now when we spoke about the electricity, so I give him answer and wrote the problem to him that he maybe can give Prashant a call that he will take care of the situation in the mandir. So maybe he knows, maybe not, but I know that Prashant Bhaiya, he will listen to Gurudev.
My phone says I'm out of internet, so maybe it works like that. We are lucky. Do you hear us?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead if you have something.
You wanted to ask a question?
Maybe connection is nice.
Recording?
Yeah, sorry.
Recording?
Yeah, recording is going on now.
Ah.
And sorry, so one thing I would like to ask this. Vidyapati says, you are the door of his heart, but his body is empty. I would like to know these feelings more detail. Please help. You are the door of his heart, but his body is empty. What does it mean?
Who is speaking to whom? I can't see.
Yeah, here, Vansaki said to Srimati Radhika, "Oh, fortunate girl, Subhage." And in this context, after that last sentence, Vidyapati says, I think Vidyapati, who is making this prayer poet, Vidyapati says, you, Radhika, you are the door of Mohan's heart, but Mohan's body is empty. If something come, please help.
Getting my phone, give hotspot.
Well, the first part is clear, I think, to everybody. But the second part is quite mysterious. We don't hear that kind of thing very often.
Yeah, Mohan become Radhika's doll and he's dancing like this chakra. Yesterday, Gorasunda Prabhu show us spin. This we can understand. But
I
now,
cannot find this. I can't find it. Where is it?
this is just we read 269 page, 269 middle. This prayers, O fortunate girl, Ola mani mani, in this paragraph and last sentence. I also same Uttava Prabhu. This before is clear, just this last sentence, sorry, I couldn't catch the sense.
We can say that we know that Krishna's body is not a material body in this place, and we know that it's a divine body. It's a body made of feeling. Maybe means something like he has feeling for nothing else except for this feeling for Radha that his heart gives him. But I'm very, very insecure. I'm very unsure.
So maybe after we will read more further, maybe something come, inspirations, or I try to meditate also. Thank you very much, Radhe Radhe.
Maharani, there's always room up here in the bachelor flat if you want to come up, everybody.
We will try it out, otherwise we come up.
Yes.
With my phone now.
Yeah. Did you read further, or where are we now? I just said, actually, this situation is really like my situation with Swamini, that I'm so absorbed sometimes, and all of a sudden I'm completely out and entangled and finding something else, and then I try to get back. I had an echo. So did you read a little bit further, or?
No.
No, okay.
Kishore had asked a question that we're still meditating on.
So what's the
And we'll
question?
meditate on for the next few years.
What was her question?
Thank you. So this about the
It
Subhage
was
we talked.
the Saki had said to it, I don't have the text, so I just tried to repeat it. The Saki said to Radhika, you are Krishna's heart is absorbed in you.
So I cannot find it too. It's not in my book.
No, I didn't see it either, but it's even if Kishori made it up, it's a very good question.
Okay, Radhe Radhe. I come out from translator room. So we talked, thank you very much, this occasion. So now Jananda Maharaj also and everyone talked about Subhage. In this paragraph, unfortunate girl, Ola mani mani, in this paragraph, in my book, last sentence, it's written, Vidyapati says, You are the door of his heart, but his body is empty. Maharani Didi, would you catch my voice now?
Yes, yes, that's also
Thank
what
you.
I read exactly.
Yeah, and we heard like Mohan become like a doll, like a spin as this. But in this context, I think you means Radhika. Radhika, you are the doll of Mohan's heart, and Mohan's body is empty. I want to know more feeling about this. This is my question. Thank you, Radhe.
Yes, this is a nice
So far
point
is
to meditate.
yeah.
And the door, I think the door is always meaning of an entrance, right?
A doll. It's eine Puppe. It's not a door. It's a doll. It's something to play with. A Barbie, not a Barbie, but a doll, a Puppe.
A doll to his
So-
heart. I don't understand this. A doll to his heart.
Yeah, Yashoda, Jayananda wants to explain. If you give him a moment. It's difficult with the connection now.
Like my feeling like this. Radhika prema guru ami shishya nath. So Radhika is dancing according to Radhika's desire or Radhika's instruction. Is like kind of puppet, someone who dance according to according to according to owner. So and then why his body is empty? My feeling like this because Mohan, Krishna steals the heart of Mohan. So therefore his heart was stolen. So therefore his body is like empty because heart was already stolen by Radhika. That is my feeling in this one.
And Kishori, you're asking, normally they say the opposite. But in this paragraph, it's all the view from Mohan's side towards Radhika. And since they both have the same feeling for each other, and they both play somehow with each other, you can look it from one side, or you can looking from the other side. That's what I feel.
Yeah, thank you, Maharani Didi and Jananda Maharaji. Yes, now it makes sense for me. Yeah, so like Mohan's side, Mohan become puppet of her, but Radhika also want to dance for Mohan. And now Mohan's heart is stolen by Radhika. That's why his body is empty, but you are the door of his heart. She is ready for everything for Mohan. Maybe something like that. I will meditate more, but thank you very much. Sri Radhe.
I just go on after this sentence. Shyam does not love anyone as much as her. And sometimes we ask, so if he loves her so much, and she is the ultimate, and no one else is as beautiful and can give him as much, and then why does he even look at the gopis? So now there is one possible answer. The different gopis only serve to create a variety of his loving pastimes with Srimati. But he's totally subdued by Sri Radha alone. This is a very relishable situation for her maidservants. Sri Radhika is fortunate because he, for whom all the gopis are eager, is eager to meet her. Therefore, she is named Subhage, or most fortunate girl, we say now. Here. And Tulasi is also proud of Swamini's pride. So actually Swamini is proud to be the one. There's no limit to Shyam's desire for Swamini.
So, say for man, want to take lady or try to attract lady. If some lady is dakshina means very obedient, it's not so much fun. But some lady is very beautiful, very proud, very strong. They say no, and their mind is more eager to conquer, the lady. So Radhika is like this because her nature is Bhamya Madhya. Bhamya means sometimes say no. Internally yes, but outside say no. So therefore, Mohan is so much eager to conquer or to have Radhika.
There's no limit to Shyam's desire for Swamini. That's why he personally sent his pet, Parrot, Vichakshana, out with a message. Vichakshana delivers the message to Tulasi, who becomes most ecstatic. This is also nice that the maidservant actually gets so ecstatic by hearing the message that Shyam is on the way for the rendezvous. When I hear this from the parrot's beak, all my limbs are studded with goose pimples of excitement. I speak the message with a faltering voice, and my heart swings when I behold Rai's face. Tulasi thinks, I won't tell Swamini about Hari's message beforehand, otherwise she would run out of the door without having her clothes and ornaments in the right place. So she's actually holding back, putting clothes and everything first, and then says it.
This is Manjari's, intelligence, huh?
Wow.
How to serve, because they want to meet, nicely dressed and ready. But if half dress is also beautiful, but it's more nice to everything ready.
Sri Shukadev described a similar scene of madness in his Srimad Bhagavata, when Krishna played his flute to inaugurate the Maharaj dance. Some gopis were putting on makeup, others cleansed their bodies, others applied eyeliner to their eyes, others began to put their garments, while yet again others went to Krishna with this decoration all on the wrong places. According to the Goswamis, this is possible with Sri Radharani, who is endowed with the ecstatic love called Madana and Modana, and also with her personal girlfriends. The Mahachans sing, when Krishna plays his flute, Rai forgets everything, what to do and what not to do. Rai combs her hair with her mirror and ties her flower garland to her feet without thinking. On her hand she wears her ankle bells, on her shanks her bangles, on her neck she wears her waist bells, and on her waist she wears her necklace. On her feet she wears her eyeliner, around her eyes she wears her footlock, and on her breast she wears the Pankaraj Pata ornament. What is the Pankarajpata ornament?
I don't know. But this supposed to wear another place, no?
Yeah, it's supposed to be on another
but
place.
This is, I don't know in detail.
Okay. On her ear, Rai places her nose pearl, and on her nose she hangs the tassel of her braid. Vamsivadana sings, all glories to she who dies out of passionate love for Shyam. This ecstatic hilarity of love for Krishna is called Avibram Alankara in the Ras Shastras.
So this, I don't know exactly, but this drama means like kind of illusion. Like, kind of illusion, and B means more strong illusion. It means kind of bewilderment. So Radhika completely lost her intelligence and what to do. So this also make Radhika become more beautiful. Therefore, this is called Alankara. This is ornament. Radhika's bewilderment. Even Radhika's bewilderment, also this is kind of ornament. So this is so beautiful.
When the heroine, out of erotic ecstasy, puts on her necklaces, garlands, and other ornaments on the wrong place, when it is time to meet her lover, it is called Vibrama. Sri Krishna only relishes the prema, though, and not the beauty of the dress and ornaments. Hari cannot be captured only by the beauty of the form, Lalita Madhava. Krishna takes great pleasure in correcting the gopis' mistakes in dressing and ornamenting with his own hands, thus showing himself to be completely subdued by love.
This also, some man loves lady. That time, he has desire to decorate ladies. And, like, for example, binding hair, or some cosmetic, or, like ornament nicely. This is a nature. So Krishna is completely subdued by love of Radhika. So Krishna say, oh, something wrong. Oh, I can do for you. This is a kind of Mohan, like I say, Yoga Maya arrange. Mohan could do some seva for Radhika. So this is very beautiful.
But the Kinkaris want to send Radhika out nicely dressed and ornamented. That's why Tulasi thinks the Parrot said that Shyam is going out now to meet my Swamini. First I will dress and ornament her, and then I'll tell her this. It is auspicious even to think and talk about the expertise in devotional service of the Manjaris. Wow. There will be no desire to look anywhere else. Why should the heart not be purified by thinking of the forms, qualities, and pastimes of the divine pair? Can the Maya Shakti obstruct the Lord's Svarup Shakti? Bhajan makes a new life for the devotee. When nothing changes in the heart and mind, then how will I understand if my bhajan is advancing? Dasi Tulasi dresses and ornaments Srimati for her Abhisar, whose thin dresses, floral earrings, necklaces, and other ornaments. How expertly she's doing this. Seeing this expertise of Tulasi, Srimati thinks, surely here must be some purpose for this ornamentation. This causes Swamini's natural beauty even to increase. And therefore, Tulasi calls her Subhage or Sundari in this verse. Sundari also means beautiful. When the vision vanishes, she prays for devotional service. When I clearly hear from the mouth of the parrot named Vichakshana that it is time for you to meet Krishna, then I very blissfully take a thin silken sari and carefully dress you with it. I will make floral earrings and hang them on your earlobes. I will hang a flower garland around your neck. O Devi, when can I thus adorn you with floral ornaments? End of verse 70. So for me it's also here that the Manjari actually decides whether to tell immediately or to wait so that it will be the best for Radharani.
Yes. Sometimes, many stories, many Leela is there. Sometimes, in the Yamuna, Manjari massaging Radhika very privately. And Krishna knows, in advance, and he climbs a tree. And then Mohan watching Radhika's beautiful body. And then Tulasi knows Mohan is there. And then Swamini asking, is there somebody there? No, nobody. And then Krishna said, don't talk about me. And because according to situation, so Tulasi knows or Manjari knows what to do and how to increase more rasa or more feeling or raga anuraga. So this is the role of Manjari.
Radhe Radhe Go